Rogers, 105, all the way. Had you all the way, 105, and thank you very much for the shout there, too, doggone it. You have a good day also. 105, sounding great. It sure is good to hear all you stations back in there today. Man, oh man, we lost you for a couple weeks or so. Oh, well, 105, thank you very much for the shout. Oh, Copperhead back in the grass. We're going to have a Pepsi break. I'm out.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
How about my friend Pirate? Is he out there listening? How about you, Pirate, out there around Riverside? 445 said, let me hear that crow.
Pepsi's. Oh, Copperhead clear.
Why, we can't pull you out of there. 105, Granpaw, wave and getting out.
Hello out there, Grandpa Jones. Hey, Grandpa, 445 waving. Good day.
Top Gun, 1, 2, 3. Great big hello right back there, Top Gun. Thank you for the shout. Top Gun, have a good day yourself.
Yeah, out here in County Ray.
Hello out there, Grandpa. I don't know if you heard me or not. 445, we trying, Grandpa. 445, get down.
All right, 445, I appreciate you getting back. It's all right back there, but it's...
All right. Anyway, I got to take a standby because I hear 445 trying to get to Grandpa. Grandpa's a good friend of mine, 20 miles south of him. So I'm going to shut up. Catch you later. I'm out.
Hey, Grandpa, 445 waving. Been a long time, Grandpa. Good to hear you out there. We gone.
All right, 445. Hey, I hear that 445. Coming back out here. I just hear that 445. Ratchet 27 on the west side. I'm waving. Grandpa, back out the way, Bubba.
All right, Grandpa, we'll see you later. I heard Ratchet up there in Northern Cal come in there also. Hello to my friend Ratchet. Bye-bye.
Hello, 445. Long time no hear. Hey, 445. You got Ratchet in the Mobile.
And a good evening right quick to you, Lakeside. Copperhead's out.
Hello, right back, spark plug. Hey, spark plug. Looking good on the west side. 317 in the clear.
Hello, 317. I told you it wouldn't be long. Hey, 317. I told you it wouldn't be long. 445 said that.
Hello, spark plug 317.
Hey, 123 is on.
Hey, 317, you gonna get on my gate or not? Hey, 317, my friend out there, 445 said, you gonna get on my gate or what?
Hey, 445. Hey, 445, 27 in the Mobile. Let me turn it up a little bit right there. Hey, 445, 27. I'm cruising. Break.
Hey, 27, you're already at 30 dB. Hey, 27, Ratchet, you're already at 30 dB. 445 said that.
I appreciate it, 445. I do appreciate it. I know it's rough and tough, so I had to give it a little bit more. I want to get up on top. We missed you at the James Boyd function. We'll see you again when we do it again. I hope. Hopefully you can make it next go around. Hey, 445, 27 in the Mobile, and I'm cruising.
All right, 27, I seen your picture. Hey, 27, I seen your picture. 445 waving at you.
All right, radio man. 317 Cowway man.
All right, 317, I told you it wouldn't be long, didn't I? Hey, 317, have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Hey, 445, you sounding real good. Man, about time we hear you. 317, back out the key.
All right, 317, have a good Labor Day, I meant. 317, sounding good around the Magnolia. Bye-bye-bye.
Buckshot 317, right back. Buckshot 317, California, right back.
Central Kill.
Ratchet 27 on the west side and the Mobile, and then I'm doing